credit makeup. I'm just gonna put that out there. Oh, by the way, welcome to my channel. I'm Lynn. You should subscribe. I'm kind of late on the trend, but there's that trend going around. I tried following Blink's makeup tutorial, and today I'm following James Charles' makeup tutorial because, you know, I watch all his videos, but I don't actually try any of the tutorials. So today I'm gonna follow one of the tutorials. So I feel like I'm kind of cheating because I'm gonna watch one of his videos, the video where he shows you, it's like step by step, like how to do eye makeup and everything, like how to be a beauty guru, but that's okay. I'll probably still fail, and yeah, let's get into the video. I have like all this stuff in front of me for makeup, but none of it's mine. It's like all my mom's because my mom's like really good at makeup. If you didn't know. Brows, eyeshadow, wing liner, and lashes for beginners. And that's me, a beginner. So I'm going to be watching that, but first I'm going to do like all the skin makeup off camera. I feel like a beauty guru. And then I'm going to be following like the eyeshadow part. I'm going to go do the skin part. Okay, so all I've done so far is foundation, concealer, and powder. And now I'm going to do like blush and contour and stuff. And I decided, earlier I said I wouldn't be following the like skin makeup or whatever tutorial from James Charles, but I am going to, and yeah, so.
And I'm going to use my Morphe M405.
We need a Morphe M405 brush. I don't think I have that. Okay, so we finished with like our skin makeup. I hope, I feel like it's okay. It looks good enough. Okay, so now we're moving on to like eyes. This makeup palette. I just don't want to say the name wrong, it sounds stupid. So I'm just not going to say the name. And I'm going to attempt using these colors because I feel like that's similar to the colors he has. Okay, completely lied. He's using like yellows, oranges, and reds. I have all like nude colors, but that's okay. We're going to go with it.
When applying the shadows, I'm making sure to pack the color right in the crease.
Okay, he's packing the color right in the crease. So I don't know what color I'm going to use. We'll go with this. This looks like similar to what he has. Just kidding. This one looks better. Okay, so we're gonna use this brush, and hold on, let me pull you in closer. Hello. Okay, so I have no idea if I'm gonna be doing this right. Okay, he does like one eye at a time. I can't do that. I'm gonna have to do both at the same time. Okay, I feel like I'm already messing up, but I'm gonna go on. Okay.
Shade, which in this case is going to be our orange, which like I was saying is my favorite crease
so
brush.
we need a crease brush. Oh, wait. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna go with this brush, blending up. Okay, I have no clue what I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing. So, we're gonna take this darker color. Oh my god,
I'm still going to hold my brush at a slight upward angle, but I'm going to hold this one a lot more horizontal to my face.
Still holding an upward angle like this, but a little more horizontal to the face. So we'll go with like this. And I'm probably still doing this all wrong. If this turns out good, I'm gonna be shocked. Oh, I think I kind of like moved everything down because the yellow is like above the crease, and then this is supposed to be in the crease, but that's okay. You know, this is supposed to be like a funny fail. Oh boy. This is why I do fashion instead of makeup. This looks awful. I'm not even kidding. Oh, now my cat wants to leave the room. Hold on. Oh, now you can see I'm wearing pajama pants. That's great.
We get to take a break from the shadow for a few short minutes because now we get to the fun part, cutting the crease. You guys know I love a good half cut crease.
If he thinks I'm about to do a cut crease, no dude, I can't do that. So, like, I don't think that's gonna be an option. We're not gonna be able to do that. But I kind of skipped ahead and I'm gonna do the eyeliner, which this is probably where it's all gonna go wrong. But that's okay.
And to keep following me, go towards the corner of my eye, and I'm going to kind of rest my elbow on my chest to make sure my arm is not going anywhere. And I'm going to start right at the outer corner.
Look, I'm more stressed about this than my test tomorrow. I need to study for that, by the way, but I'll do that tonight when I finish my homework. This is so stressful. god. Ah! I just messed it up more. Oh, that looks so bad. I can't even see it. It looks so bad. Okay, surprisingly, that eye looks a little better. Just kidding. It so doesn't. They are like not similar at all. Why did I think this video was a good idea? Okay, so I'm gonna clean this up. Okay. Okay. With the mascara, it doesn't look that bad because it kind of covers up everything. I'm gonna take the pencil brush. I know what that's called because I'm a booty guru. And you put it on the inner water something. Inner teardrop. Wow, I'm such a beauty guru. I'm done and I barely followed his routine, but that's okay. So that was it for following James Charles' makeup routine, and I'm not gonna show you the final outcome because it's so bad. Just kidding. Okay, let me zoom in. Zooming out. Maybe I do want to zoom out because, you know, I look so bad. I meant to focus and I actually stopped recording. So, I look so bad. That was a weird face. Bird, excuse me, you're so rude. I'm trying to film a video. Okay. Well, this is the look. I feel like the main part of this was eyeshadow and lips, and that's where I failed. But, you know, it's okay. So here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, you should follow me on Instagram because I actually did a poll today for what kind of video people want to see. So follow me on Instagram to vote on polls for videos and to see outfits and stuff. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, and you should check out James Charles because if you don't know him, you've been living under a rock. Bye.